Let's repeat it again. Okay. Okay, Mark Domingo Cruz. I don't want to say bad words too, all right? Because when you say bad words, it's really offended, it's really hurting, You have to stop with your bad words. When you say about to Carbilus, you said America fuck yeah, you called Hezbollah or Hamas or calling themselves asshole words. Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to stop with your bad words. It's really bad to say bad words, I know you're a pro-Israel, I know you're a pro-America, you're a pro-West, you're a pro-Spain, you're a pro-European Union, you're an alliance with Carl Magnobilus, even the NATO, even the pro-NATO or pro-Ukraine, Mark Domingo Cruz, you have to respect my own opinion. That me, for example, I am pro-Iran, I'm pro-Russia, I am pro-China, I'm pro-Cuba, I'm pro Chavista of Venezuela, I'm a pro Hezbollah, I'm a pro Hamas, I'm pro China, I have my own opinion, I'm a pro Philippines, this is my country Philippines, I'm pro Philippines, and I have my own opinion. You, Mark Domingo Cruz, I know you're a pro West. Like I said, me, for example, let me ask you something. I'm also a pro Russia. I am pro Iran. I am pro Hezbollah. I'm pro Hamas. I'm pro Philippines under by Rodrigo Duterte. I am a pro Venezuela under by Nicolas Maduro. I am a pro China under by Xi Jinping. I am pro Iran under by Ali Khamenei. I am pro Cuba under by Fidel Castro. What's the problem? Even I am pro Russia under by Vladimir Putin. What's the problem of my opinion? Oh, you know, Mark Domingo Cruz, stop insisting other people have their own opinion. Ah, you are a pro for example, the Philippines under by Bangag Bongbong Marcos. You are a pro Benjamin Netanyahu or pro Donald Trump or the US, even Carl Bilus, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I know you're a dog lover, do not say bad words. How would you ever to say a bad words like this? Even Juan Carlo Pabale, when you say a bad words, you say, even you grab the K-pop at J. Rick Silva, that's not really nice. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, last 2019, after, that was during the feud of Wawel Romero, I mentioned that. Mark Domingo Cruz, the field trip bus, you created the US forces. You created the US troops in the Philippines. Rodrigo Duterte doesn't like US troops in the Philippines. He doesn't want the Philippines to become a frontline battlefield if China attacked the Philippines. Rodrigo Duterte doesn't want to harm the Filipinos. Oh, you know, you know, Mark Domingo Cruz, like I said to you, your parents did not discipline you. Hindi ka kasi pinalaki ng magulang mo. Puro ka lang mura. Mark Domingo Cruz, you do not recognize that you're not being raised by your parents. Look at Klaus Daniel. You remember the former friend of Paulo Cuba? When you say a bad words, He was reprimanded by Teacher Mirna. He doesn't want to say bad words. You, Mark Domingo Cruz, all you need to do, you need to stop with your bad words. You need to stop with your profanity or foul languages. This could really hurt to everybody. You know, for me, I never want to say bad words too. When you heard to say, oh, you say about, uh, you call, um, you call Vladimir Putin and Ali Khamenei or asshole words. That's not really nice, Mark Domingo Cruz. You know, the Russians and the Iranians who were Shia Muslims, they are angry at you. Oh, what will be happen to yourself when you say a bad words? Oh, it's not really nice to say bad words. You know, for me, Mark Domingo Cruz, like me, when I curse Nanay Ningning in Instagram, I call her asshole word, or all Germans are very stupid, or it's really hurt to Nanay Ningning. Oh, when I apologize to her, you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to stop with your bad words. You should be ashamed of yourself, you know. Stepan Pimentel doesn't want to say bad words too, or Ronald Rubena, or Rafa Soco, including my friend J. Rick Silva. Oh, they don't like bad words. Jens Manaid never say bad words too. Oh, even Ibet. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz, with all due respect, you'll be happen just like Paulo Cruzada. Do not say bad words.